NYC's Greenwich Village, a historic Manhattan neighborhood with cobblestone streets and a bohemian vibe, is a treasure chest for every kind of explorer. Whether you're a history buff, foodie, comedy fan, or art lover, the Village has something that will tickle your fancy. Every corner of this neighborhood offers a slice of its rich cultural pie. If you're exploring Greenwich Village, you've got to start at Washington Square Park. This place is always buzzing with life and crowned by the majestic Washington Square Arch. Grove Street in Greenwich Village is your chance to walk through history. Lined with beautiful Greek Revival townhouses and historic buildings, Grove Street features the famously narrowest house in NYC and the Isaac Hendrick House, showcasing the Village's evolution. Bleecker Street is the heartbeat of Greenwich Village's cultural vibe. Originally a farm road owned by the Bleecker family, it evolved into a lively hub filled with restaurants, cafes, and a legendary music scene. Icons like Bob Dylan and Bruce Springsteen have performed here, making Bleecker Street a historic music landmark. Famous for its lively comedy scene, the Village boasts some of the world's top comedy clubs, like the legendary Comedy Cellar on MacDougal Street. Here you might catch big names like Jerry Seinfeld or Dave Chappelle dropping in for surprise sets. The historic Stonewall Inn is a cornerstone of LGBTQ+ history, famously known as the birthplace of the gay rights movement. This iconic spot stands tall as a global symbol of civil rights. Today, it's a national historic landmark. The Greenwich Village food scene is a foodie's dream come true. With a rich tapestry of flavors from gourmet pizza to exotic Asian dishes, the Village offers a culinary journey like no other. Bleecker Street Pizza is a must-visit. Thinking about heading to Greenwich Village from Greenwich, Connecticut? It's about an hour drive from our historic bed and breakfast, Stanton House Inn, and makes a great day trip. Or take the train to Grand Central Station. From there, take the B train on the subway to Washington Square. Greenwich Village is bursting with experiences, from its rich history and buzzing art scene to unique foodie delights and boutique shopping. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned local, there's always a new adventure waiting in the Village. Make the most of your visit by downloading a free copy of our Greenwich Village Visitor's Guide. It's got a free map and all the most unique spots to visit. Start planning your Greenwich Village escapade today.